Yeah. These are the main elevators at the AHN Wellness Pavilion in Wexford, Pennsylvania. These are Otis Gen2s with Series 7 fixtures. This one, G. You can hear the other one. Here we go. Here's level G. 2. Sorry for the sneeze. Excuse me. Here's level 2. Oh yeah. Very nice elevators, but vandalized. Series 7, hands-free ADA combined phone, fire service. Send that one down. This place is empty for the most part. This one's empty. This place is empty for the most part. Here we go. Go G. Let's go 2. There's the parking garage. This time watch if I'm going. There's a ThyssenKrupp service elevator here I can't get to since it's blocked off. This is just like the other one. 4,000 pound capacity or 1,814 kilograms. 25 passengers. There goes the hand. That's it.